Tashi Dilek. This is Libby Liu, President of Radio Free Asia. And I'd like to take this moment to wish you, our listeners and viewers in Tibetan communities all around the world, a happy, healthy, and prosperous Losar. From all of us at RFA. For 2 decades, RFA's Tibetan service has been bringing you accurate, reliable news and information that would otherwise be censored. Our reports tell you what's happening when it happens. This includes a close coverage of the expulsion of thousands of nuns and monks from the Buddhist study center of Loronggar and its destruction by the Chinese authorities, the confiscation of Tibetan passports to prohibit attendance at the 34th Kalachakra Interfaith Gathering in Bodh Gaya, India, the re-election of Lobsang Sangye, the political leader of the Central Tibetan Administration, and the Dalai Lama's trip to Mongolia, where he visited with the country's Buddhist religious leaders despite Chinese pressure and threats on their government. These and so many other stories could not be covered without you. Your leads, your tips, your videos, your photos, and your active engagement in our work, especially through social media like YouTube and Facebook. Thank you for being part of the RFA family. We will constantly strive to be your #1 source of trusted news and information, and I wish you a happy Losar.